Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping devices. Charge both and open the AirPods Pro case. In Settings on Android, turn Bluetooth on and stay on that screen. You need it visible. Then press and hold the Setup button on the AirPods case until the LED flashes white, which signals pairing mode. Once done, scan the list and select AirPods Pro. You do this now because Android will pair as a standard Bluetooth headset. This gives you basic audio and mic functionality immediately. Once paired, make sure Android routes both media and call audio to the AirPods Pro by tapping the device and choosing the correct profiles. Next, install a trusted companion app to read battery levels, control noise-canceling modes, and customize double-tap actions. This fills gaps left by Android. Make sure to disable battery optimization for that app so it can run in the background reliably and grant notification access if asked. Doing this gives you near-eye. You finish by testing noise cancellation and transparency mode. Use the companion app to toggle features and confirm ear detection where supported. If audio stutters or dropping occurs, reset the AirPods. Hold the case button about 15 seconds until amber then white flashes, then repair. If that fails, reboot your Android, repair, and clear the Bluetooth cache in settings. One key troubleshooting tip: always check the companion app permissions and battery optimization. Most connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.